And we get it. We get a 200-point drop in the markets. Woohoo! Check this out. The Dow down 200 big ones, 2.3%. NASDAQ down 3.33% on the S&P. And check out this beast. The Russell's down almost 4%. I'll tell you, this is a major, major down day in the markets today. Nice spike in the VIX, the volatility index, up 11.36%. Anytime you get the VIX inversely tripling, you've got yourself a monster move. So, and it does substantiate the movement that we did receive. So here we have over a 3% move on the VIX inversely to what the indices are doing, and we happen to be up over 31. All right, let's look at the markets. Again, the S&P daily. If you missed the weekend edition, I highly recommend you watch my video that I posted first thing Saturday morning on the weekend edition, and you will get a glimpse into how I was able to call this down move that we're getting here. So, and by the way, thank you for all the emails that are coming in and the chats. I really do appreciate those. I read each and every one of them, and I'll tell you, I just do appreciate that. And Matador, I'm speaking for him also, loves getting chats. Now, check this out. Here, let me get rid of my crosshairs. We come crashing down, breaking through these two swings. You see those two mini swings? Let's go back in time. We have a little mini swing, two major swings here, a small swing. So look at these two teal lines coming across, resistance, resistance, support. We just sliced through those today. And here we have a trend line, swing high, swing low. We crashed through that also. We crashed through three major support areas. And check this line. This green line coming down is the 200-day moving average. Just sliced right through it. And then here's my 50-day moving average right here. 50-day moving average. Chances are I do not see the 50 and the 200 crossing anytime soon. I bet this 50 just starts to roll over. So it'd be interesting to watch. But nonetheless, it broke through all sorts of support areas. We saw here when the market started breaking down, we had a nice uptrend. When the market started breaking down right here, breaking a trend line here, which I had that I've got rid of. If you'll notice, I cleaned this up, took a lot of lines off. The ones that aren't relevant anymore, I just get rid of to clean things up. That right here we broke a trend line, and then we broke this trend line, this big beefy blue. You can see a swing low there, a swing low there. When we popped that, I knew it was done. It broke the back of the trend, and then we try to rally. I love it that the bulls had their shots to try to bring this back up, but it sustained too much damage. We couldn't get above resistance. Support now is acting as resistance, and this moving average is also acting as resistance, and sure enough we peter out. Now the news will tell you is because the banks gave forecasts that they're seeing a decline in growth to come. I'm telling you right now, it's just playing the charts. Technical analysis is where it's at. Because we're human, we all want reasons. We all want our reasons why the markets are going up or down. And the news is there to give us a reason. What I am telling you is simply watch the charts. Let the charts do the talking. Trade with your eyes. Never trade with your mind and your opinion. Get those out of here. Trade with your eyes. So when we came up, this looked very weak to me. It looked like we were going to crash down. Sure enough, we crashed down with a vengeance. So the question now is, where will our support be? Wow. Now, usually you'll get a sympathy bounce after something like this. Don't be surprised if we don't get a bounce tomorrow here. If so, we could go as high as this 907 area, I'd imagine, and then come up here into the 909s. We could come up the next couple days. If we do start rallying back, if we hit down here and rally up, I don't see us getting up over 910, that area. Just don't see it happening. But where would be support? Right now, if you look over here to the right, I'm calling these numbers out right here. If I come right there, so if tomorrow's candlestick would put us around 888, 887. 888, 887 should be our support area. If we crash through that, our next level is going to be 884. 884 is going to be our next area. And then we should find some support at 880. And yeah, we'll see. But I do see some support coming in here. And if we do rally, you know, I don't see us getting higher than this big trend line. I've shown that a number of times. I don't see us getting any higher than that. So if that happens, we'll get a shoulder, head, and shoulder right there. We come crashing down. That will be a trend reversal. And in the big picture, big picture, we should just start finding these new lows. So the question is, when we drop, where will we stop? It will be choppy, it'll be crazy, but where will we stop? So I'm looking to go short the market. There's a lot of support areas here, but I'm looking to be short this market, and I'm looking for where a major reversal may take place. And wherever it takes place, if it takes place here, great. If it takes place there, fantastic. If it takes place lower than this swing right here, the lows that we made in March, then we're going to sustain that downtrend that I've been showing you on the monthly chart. Again, review that monthly chart on the S&P, and that will show you that things could start getting very nasty in the near future. So it pays to be a part of freetradingvideos.com. If you have yet to forward videos or the links to videos to your friends and family, I would encourage you to do so. Let everybody, even if they're just getting interested in trading, this is the place to learn. You watch these videos long enough, you're going to start learning things about trading to incorporate in your own. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for being a part of freetradingvideos.com, and we look forward to chatting with you in the chat room and also the postings that we're doing there in the forums.